I'm a certified prevention specialist with Cherokee Nation Behavioral Health Prevention Programs. To help explain the work that I do, I use the analogy of the duck in the pond. You have this duck and he's in the pond, and the duck is unhealthy. It might have some oil on it or might have a hurt foot, making it turn circles in the pond. You take the duck out of the pond and you clean it up, make sure he's got what it needs, but then you put it back into the pond and then you notice later that the duck is still unhealthy. A prevention specialist works on the pond itself, while somebody in the treatment industry works on the duck. Now, if you do one without the other, you're not going to see a lasting impact. The two must work together so that the environment is healthy and the individual in the environment is healthy. Those natural sensation seekers, they're going to struggle. And then we're going to look at them and demonize them because they struggled. We created an environment that made it easy for them to fall into substance use. We've got to go the opposite way. We've got to provide protection for our vulnerable populations.